Rectangles ABCD and EFGH are similar. The length of each side of EFGH is 6 times the length of the corresponding side of ABCD. The area of ABCD is 54 square units. What is the area and square units of EFGH? Okay, here from this information, we can write the ratio of the lengths of the corresponding sides of two rectangles. Okay, first let me take the rectangle ABCD and then I take the rectangle EFGH. Okay, I assume one is the length of a particular side of the rectangle ABCD. Then what should be the length of the corresponding side in the rectangle EFGH? So from this information, it's very clear. The length of each side of the rectangle EFGH is 6 times the length of the corresponding side in ABCD. Already we know that the length of one particular side of the rectangle ABCD is 1. Now to get the length of the corresponding side in this rectangle, we have to take 6 times of this one. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, now I got the ratio of the corresponding sides of the given two rectangles. Okay, from this ratio, we can get the ratio of the areas of two rectangles. Okay, let me write over here area of a rectangle ABCD and here area of rectangle EFGH. Now to get the ratio of the areas of two rectangles from this ratio, we have to square both the terms over here. Then we get 1 square. And here we have 6 square, then we get 1 square is 1, 6 square is 36. Now I got the ratio of the areas of two rectangles. From the terms of the ratio over here, if I want to get the area of the first rectangle and area of the second rectangle, I have to multiply the terms by the same non-zero number, say x. Okay, now let me get the area of the rectangle ABCD. For that, we have to multiply the first term of the ratio by the non-zero number x. 1 times x is x. Okay, now let's get the area of the second rectangle, that is the area of EFGH equals to, we have to multiply the second term of the ratio by the same non-zero number x, then we get 36x. Here I got the areas of both the rectangles, but already we have the area of the rectangle ABCD in the question, that is 54 square units. So this x must be equal to 54. Okay, our aim is to get the area of rectangle EFGH. For that, we have to plug in this 54 for x over here to get the area of rectangle EFGH. Then we have 36 times 54, which is equal to 1944. Here I got the area of rectangle EFGH, that is 1944 square units. We find this value in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.